कौन सा आपका है?
Which one is yours? Which one is yours?
हमें कौन सा रास्ता जाना चाहिए?
Which way should we go? Which way should we go?
कौन सी किताब सबसे अच्छी है?
Which book is best? Which book is best?
कौन सा आपका है?
Which one is yours?
हमें कौन सा रास्ता जाना चाहिए?
Which way should we go?
कौन सी किताब सबसे अच्छी है?
Which book is best?
कौन सा कप खाली है?
Which cup is empty? Which cup is empty?
कौन सा रास्ता वहां जाता है?
Which road leads there? Which road leads there?
आपने कौन सी फिल्म मुंतखब की?
Which movie did you choose? Which movie did you choose?
कौन सा कप खाली है?
Which cup is empty?
कौन सा रास्ता वहां जाता है?
Which road leads there?
आपने कौन सी फिल्म मुंतखब की?
Which movie did you choose?
आप कौन सा रंग पसंद करते हैं?
Which color do you like? Which color do you like?
कौन सी सीट खाली है?
Which seat is free? Which seat is free?
कौन सा फोन बज रहा है?
Which phone is ringing? Which phone is ringing?
आप कौन सा रंग पसंद करते हैं?
Which color do you like?
कौन सी सीट खाली है?
Which seat is free?
कौन सा फोन बज रहा है?
Which phone is ringing?
कौन सा रास्ता तेज है?
Which route is faster? Which route is faster?
कौन सा स्टेशन अगला है?
Which station comes next? Which station comes next?
कौन सी चाबियां गायब हैं?
Which keys are missing? Which keys are missing?
कौन सा रास्ता तेज है?
Which route is faster?
कौन सा स्टेशन अगला है?
Which station comes next?
कौन सी चाबियां गायब हैं?
Which keys are missing?
कौन सा गाना चल रहा है?
Which song is playing? Which song is playing?
कौन सा होटल सस्ता है?
Which hotel is cheaper? Which hotel is cheaper?
कौन सा उसूल यहां लागू होता है?
Which rule applies here? Which rule applies here?
कौन सा गाना चल रहा है?
Which song is playing?
कौन सा होटल सस्ता है?
Which hotel is cheaper?
कौन सा उसूल यहां लागू होता है?
Which rule applies here?
कौन सा पहलू दुरुस्त है?
Which side is correct? Which side is correct?
कौन सा ख्याल बेहतर लगता है?
Which idea seems better? Which idea seems better?
कौन सा काम तरजीह है?
Which task is priority? Which task is priority?
कौन सा पहलू दुरुस्त है?
Which side is correct?
कौन सा ख्याल बेहतर लगता है?
Which idea seems better?
कौन सा काम तरजीह है?
Which task is priority?
आपने कौन सी गाड़ी खरीदी?
Which car did you buy? Which car did you buy?
कौन सी दुकान खिली है?
Which store is open? Which store is open?
आपने कौन सी गाड़ी खरीदी?
Which car did you buy?
कौन सी दुकान खिली है?
Which store is open?